Using the Data Hive to measure electric and electrostatic charge. In this experiment, we will be looking at how the Data Hive can be used to measure electrical charge and electrostatic charge using the middle button on the front of the Data Hive. For this experiment, you will need your Data Hive, a plug socket, plastic sample, cloth, a shoe, and a range of different surfaces. You can use the Data Hive to measure electrical charge at a plug socket. This is a great way to demonstrate alternating current. The Data Hive can also be used to measure electrostatic charge by friction. You can use it for the traditional polyethylene rod demonstration in physics, or with a range of different plastics, by rubbing with a cloth, causing the electrons to gain energy. Try with a range of different plastics and see how the charge changes. You can also use it to investigate electrostatic charge on different flooring surfaces and use as a careers context resource when looking at why some engineers have to wear anti-static shoes. Here you can see how the charge on the soles of the shoe changes on two different surfaces.